The Sebastian County Sheriff's Office has a new patrol vehicle that's helping in flood recovery. The Argo Avenger is an 8-wheel drive amphibious vehicle, meaning it can go from land to water easily. Greg Whitsitt with the Sebastian County Sheriff's Office says the Avenger has already been used for flood recovery. He adds it's come in handy to pull vehicles from mud holes and in flooded areas.
If a car is out 200 yards out into a flooded area, we can take officers out to that car, look at it, assess what's going on, and easily be able to go out to it, come back, never get wet. Because when you're wading into water up to your waist with snakes and stuff in the water and all the bad things, the more you can stay out of the water, the better you are.
Oh, what a great resource. Whitsitt says he was out patrolling with the Avenger for 12 hours yesterday, saving 3 cats, a dog, and helped many people save items from their homes.